My name is Nick Glasgow. I'm the production manager here at AquaGuard for our waterproofing division.
Hello, my name is Kyle Goggins and I'm the structural manager over here at AquaGuard.
Hi everybody, my name's Craig Glasgow and I'm the director of the gutter operations here at AquaGuard.
We waterproof basements and crawl spaces, turning your damp, dirty, moldy conditions into dry, reusable space.
If your foundation is either settling, your foundation is bowing, or your floors on the inside of your house are sinking, we address all of those issues.
Imagine coming up to a house, making a gutter on site, and then installing it right there to the customer specification.
So some of the challenges with the position is definitely how physical it can be at times. It's like CrossFit, only we pay you for it instead of you paying us.
It's really detail-oriented stuff. Somebody with a really detail-oriented mind would do really well in this field.
Get in shape, lose weight, look better. It's a win-win-win.
It's like anything else. As you do it and you learn, you get acclimated to it.
We're not necessarily looking for anything specific, just a good attitude and the willingness to work hard and try to learn.
The right guy with the right attitude that fits our core values and bring them in and train them on what we do.
Someone who can add to the team, show up on time, have a positive attitude, and just fit into our culture.
Also, having great hair really never hurts to come aboard here as well.
AquaGuard is really a cutting-edge company, not only for what they do, but how they treat their employees.
As far as benefits go, workers in this industry generally don't have what we offer.
401k, we also offer health insurance, and we also have, which is very unique these days, is paid vacation.
So the food, if you like to eat, you're in the right place.
It seems like every day around here somebody's cooking something.
And as you can tell, I don't miss a lot of meals.
Be prepared to put on 20 pounds.
Maybe it's fajitas in the parking lot, or it's somebody's birthday. We have a bunch of employees, so there's always cake. A lot of cake.
I can't think of a reason you shouldn't.
I'd say the coolest thing about AquaGuard is the culture.
Without a doubt, the best part of my job is helping people.
The team spirit that we have here.
The people and learning a trade.
I love to help people that I have hired or people that I work with, seeing them achieve, seeing them reach the goals that they really want to achieve, not only personally, but professionally.
We're always trying to redefine our industry and get better, but you're surrounded by just gorgeous people on a daily basis. Nobody looks better and is more attractive than the people at AquaGuard. Don't you want to be a part of that?
You're going to learn, you're going to grow, you're going to make great friends, and you're going to be a part of something more. And that's the family here at AquaGuard.